Secret!
Thank you for being a friend. Travel down the road and back again. Your heart is true. You're a
Iya. Ito, ano yun yung mga to?
Thank you for being a friend. Travel down the road and back again. Your heart is true. You're a pal and a
Hindi. O, tingnan mo, madali lang. Very good, Kasama talaga to kapag babae ikaw, kailangan pagdaanin mo yung mga masasakit kasi tiis ganda. Very good. O, yan na.
Ito po si Leia. Ito po. Yan. So pretty. Patingin nga ng makeup. Wow. So pretty. Huwag malikot masyado at nadudumihan na. 1, 2, 3, go. Wow. Yes! Ang galing naman mag-project. Ganun na. Ani, tingin. Bigay mo kay mamo yan.
Dreams come to life. There's a princess named Eleanor, shining so bright, with a heart full of love and a smile so warm. She'll hold your hand and take away your storm. Oh yeah, her laughter fills the air like the sweet melody. Princess Eleanor, the heart of our king.
Abi, sama ka.
Pangalan nila?
My name is Cheska.
Proud. Okay. Tingnan natin kung magiging proud ka pa mamaya sa mama mo. Ano, joke lang. Okay. Siyempre. Ready ka na ba sa iyong gagawin?
Siyempre kinakabahan.
Sana all. Ang dalawang magiging backup dancer.
Yung anak mo!
Ayan, sige ma'am. Ayan ang nanay daw. At saka si ma'am. Okay, sige po. Punta na po sila dito sa ating harapan. Ayan. Ayun pala ang magpapa-excite. Okay. Ayan, nasaan na ang mga TikTokers nyo na yan?
He was right. I'm a fucking pretty princess.
Ito na para sa ating birthday celebrant.
Happy birthday, Leia! Pinaka-best mo na pinsan. I love you!
Ating birthday celebrant.
Makinig lang sa nanay at tatay niya. Alam na ng papa niya.
Ayan.
Hi, Leia!
Leia!
Enjoy mo lang yung birthday mo, tsaka ano. Thank you so much.
Kasi. Hi, Leia. Happy birthday. Wish you good health and pag-aaral na mabuti. Ay, thank you so much. Syempre, enjoy your game. Okay, Idol, Leia, in your count, okay, you say happy birthday to me, okay? Okay, in I count in 3, 2, 1.
Happy birthday to me!
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Ay, parang nanginginig pa si Ana. Gusto ko yung may ano yung may kumot. Ay, malakaw naman natin. Thank you. 3, 2, 1.
Hello, Philippines! My name is Sana and my local is Pa Salvador. Hi everyone, my name is Jamie and ang kamukha ko ay si Bea.
Wow! Leia muna. Safe, safe.
Everyone, I'm Michelle. Ang kalukalay ko ay si
Ayan ang ating Gabby Garcia.
Confident!
Hello everyone! Philippines! I'm Marites. Kalukalay ko si Liza Soberano.
Okay, ay wala pa naman.
Excited ka talaga.
Okay, ready? How about in 3, 2, 1?
My name is Ate Jean. Ang kamukha ko si Suhaida.
Ayan, Suhaida daw. Ay, thank you so much.
I love
my family. I really do need